Hi everyone, I'm Tanisha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share what I've got from Sugar Cosmetics. So there is an offer going on where you can get 5 products for $12.99 or 1300 rupees. You can get the offer in their website or in their app as well, though I ordered it from their app. So the offer calls their Daydreamer kits, where you get to choose between few products and make your own kits. So first product I got is a lipstick. You get to choose between 2 or 3 lipsticks. So I get this one, Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick 07 in Viola. The shade is very beautiful. It's a mauve shade. I'm currently using it on my lips. And it's matte as hell and it's really nice. And the next product I got is their Kohl Kajal. It's called Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl 05 Black Magic. It's a black, like dark black kajal with a little bit of glitter. I'm not wearing it right now, but you can wear it on your lid because the glitter will look so good after you smudge it. The next product I got is the eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now. It's their Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in the shade 01 Albi Black. And the eyeliner is very beautiful. It's a pen tip eyeliner. I think you can see. It's a pen tip eyeliner and it's so easy to make a wing eyeliner with this kind of eyeliner. So the next product will be the blush that I got. It's their mini blush in the shade 05 Coral Climax. You get to choose between 2 shades, pink and coral. I chose the coral one and it's very beautiful. I'm wearing it right now, very light-handed because this blush is super pigmented. So please use very little amount whenever you are using this blush. And what else I got? Okay, I got this sheet mask, okay? You get to choose between 2 sheet masks. One this black charcoal one and another one was a green something, different one. So I chose this charcoal one. Honestly, it's not that great of a mask. I think I like the Innisfree or the Face Shop mask better than this. But it's just a basic charcoal mask. It does nothing or it doesn't do anything special. But it's a nice mask, okay? Anyways. What else I got? Okay, I got this very cute sharpener. It was inside this. So you can open both the side and clean the sharpener. And there is 2 end. You can see it's a 2 end. In one side you can sharpen your kajal or kohl, or in other side you can sharpen your lipstick. It's a very beautiful sharpener. And I got this complimentary travel pad kit from Blush, where I got the 1 light flow pad, 1 heavy flow pad and 1 panty liner. I haven't used it, but I'm very happy to get a complimentary thing. And I think you can also get it by ordering this kit. And you will get this very beautiful bag from this Daydreamer kit. And I think it's a foam bag. It's quite big. You can go out with this bag because it will look so good with any outfit or anything. So I think that's all the products I got from this kit, and for 1300 rupees, 5 products and 1 complimentary product, I think it's a very nice deal, because as we know, Sugar Cosmetics are not a very cheap kind of brand. Their products are quite pricey. I mean, it's moderate price, and I think it's a very nice offer. So if you like any of the product, and I am using all of the product and I'm liking it, I think you will like it too. So I highly suggest you to go check their website and buy this kit because you will love it. So that's all the information I wanted to share about this product and everything. I'm not gonna make this video any longer because I want you guys to go and grab this offer. Okay, I'll be back super soon. Until then, take care, stay happy, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and bye.